My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Seat Ibiza. This vehicle was done just under 33,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, media, phone and voice control. On the right we have navigation, traffic reports, vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors, and just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.